So this is just the recap for live stream 61. Expecting to realize a big loss as I log in here. The market initially went in my favor. Of course, I wasn't available as the prices came down and cleared out yesterday's lows prior to the FOMC announcement and the subsequent retracement. Just going to get my US clock on. So we've got the US clock on. So we are short, and you can see there we're down about 192 points as prices have come into the highs here from the FOMC. Just going to place a stop order. It's tempting here to wait to see if the highs from FOMC holds, but I'm just going to close the position for a 200-point loss. So let's talk about it. We came into the market here during the European session. Price had this wick off the 200, but we decided to short it. And the reason we're looking to short initially was we thought the move giving back was a move to get rid of the weak hand. So we went short. Market went against us all the way up to 619. From there, sold off into the US Open. Cleared out the weak hand. So if you were a buyer here at any point during the FOMC, you place your stop at the lows. Market came down, cleared out those weak hands, cleared the lows from yesterday. Subsequently, it rallied, taking back most of the gains that were lost, and here rallied most of the way into yesterday's price action. And here is the Apple announcement. So Apple, the earnings were underwhelming, but Apple announced share buybacks and an increase in dividends. So 110 billion in share buybacks from what I read. That's obviously pushed the prices up, because despite it slightly, the earnings came in better than expected, but it was a fall in comparison to the previous quarter, apparently due to weak demand in China. But with the big stock buyback and the news in regards to dividends, we've had the further move up here. So we've got back in, and we just realized the loss from what we had yesterday. So fairly big loss for the account. Initial trade idea. Again, I wasn't here for it, but you see price went against us a fair bit. Would have cleared out the lows, so over 100 points in our favor. Prices came back, rallied through the FOMC levels on the daily chart. From I did say during the European session that despite the wick and it closing a bearish candle, that this candle was a bullish signal because prices were able to rally to the upside. And that's pretty much what we saw. We had a gap up, saw that pullback, cleared out all the stops or anything below those lows for those longs, which were in this area here on the FOMC. And subsequently we've had this rally to the upside. Now this close down here is just the market readjusting to the 4 p.m. close, when in reality prices were all the way up here on the Apple announcement. So we've had a gap up, having a bit of a pullback at the moment, so we'll see if we get that follow through. Currently don't have any trade ideas for tomorrow. We'll have a look here at the trade performance. Don't actually have any ideas for tomorrow, so if we go to today, we can see here we've lost 200 points. So it's only the one trade, so there isn't really much we can read into the data, but it's not been going well recently. And that's about it. I think that covers everything. So we had the Apple announcement, we covered the trade, closed the trade out. Initially the trade worked in our favor, but we weren't here. We knew that beforehand. We've had a rally going into the Apple earnings. Apple earnings came out 30 minutes after the close, about 4:30. We've had this rally into the previous highs of FOMC. See a bit of a pullback at the moment, so we'll see what we do here. But yep, that's about it. So the drawdown continues, and we'll have to think whether we are still going to be taking these trades and not being able to manage them during the European session, or whether we'll just only trade the US session, as we'll be here to intervene when necessary. And with that said, that's just going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching.